What is K2 Konnect Technology? K2 Konnect Technology allows you to join Conservatory windows with the glass already fitted from the factory. Traditionally, conservatories were screwed together unglazed and then the glass was fitted afterwards. In times gone by, this slow construction method meant that only skilled tradesmen and fitters could erect conservatories without costly glass breakages. Well, those times have gone. Say hello to K2 Konnect Technology, the original and the best. K2 Konnect Technology is a full-length aluminium bar that slides and click locks using an Allen key between the window frames. This allows you, the homeowner, to fit a pre-factory glazed conservatory without the worry of expensive glass breakages, quicker and easier than ever before. K2 Konnect Technology is a patented joining system that not only fully reinforces your conservatory against high wind and snow loadings, but also allows faster, safer construction. Insist on K2 Konnect Technology, the original and the best.